Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a review of this pen. It's a Molotow liquid chrome pen, and it's a little bit expensive, but it really does a good job. This is something I picked up from the Hot Wheels and the Matchbox guys, because some of their parts are plastic, and just like my little N scale truck here, some of the plastic parts, they lose their chrome over time. So this is a little tractor trailer here. I've had this for over 20 years, and it's missing a lot of chrome. I don't know what happened. So fortunately these kits, they come apart very easily. They're just snapped together. So you just pull on the cab and the two exhausts can come out, and also the front grille can come out. So I can take my pen and I can re-chrome them. So I'm just going to let you look again at the finished job. So I'm really happy with the result. Very bright. And this is one of the cheap Bachmann cars. They look pretty good once you repaint them. That's a 68 Roadrunner, this one. Far from perfect. These you would probably put far away from where your train is. But at any rate, this pen really does add a little bit of detail to them. My bumper looks just a little more chrome. That's a car I would love to drive in real life. 68 Roadrunner. When I was in my 20s, I was a Mopar guy, 100%. I switched to Chevy because I got tired of looking for 69 Charger parts. So this one, that's how they come from Bachmann. It actually looks okay. But if I could do the bumpers here, it would definitely help. Put a little bit of realism to them. And again, this car, you'll probably have it far away from where you're at. You're also mini metal cars, maybe those you would want to add a little bit of chrome here and there, and with this you can. Just going to keep working on this back bumper here, so it allows you to make really fine details. So again, very satisfied with the result. That looks pretty good to me. And I've got my E60CP here. It's got just a little gash here. In N-scale, chrome engines are not really the norm. This, I think it's a special run they did. But then I can make it much harder to see with the chrome paint. So that too looks good. So of course this also works on Hot Wheels. This is a kind of a rare and valuable Hot Wheels double header. Now if you're lucky, you can get a replacement windshield for this, which I do. I have this one. This one was a mess, but I'm gonna restore this. So I've got my windshield ready. I'm probably gonna reuse the wheels. So this car is rare because it was only made in 1973. So I'm gonna re-chrome these wheels here. As you can see, over time they lost their chrome. It's a rare and valuable red line, so definitely worth doing. Let me finish this off camera. So 100%, if you're gonna restore Hot Wheels, you definitely want that. So I really like this. This pen never runs out. I'm gonna get another one immediately. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.